Hi, I'm Jim, and thanks for tuning in to Videoguys Live every Tuesday afternoon at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I am Jim, and you can call me here at Videoguys 800-323-2325, extension 1110. You can also reach out to James, Adam, Stephanie, or Jennifer, and we can help answer any of your questions. Videoguys.com are specialists in the video editing, live production, and post-production worlds. We can help you find the right equipment for all of your needs. And more so, we can help connect you with certified, trained, and local system integrators in your area. So if you're looking for something like a Sony wireless mic system, like we're going to talk about today, we can help you spec out the right pieces of equipment for all of your needs. If you're looking to implement a professional audio solution across a large educational campus, corporate AV installation, or house of worship, I would love the opportunity to connect you with one of our great system integrators. Whatever your production needs are, small or large, Videoguys.com is here to help you. So I wanted to hop on this afternoon to introduce the latest in the Sony Pro Audio systems, their wireless mics, and help you determine what is the best on-camera wireless microphone solution for your production. Whether you're doing a video blog, podcast, house of worship, live event, corporate AV production, education, government, or more, Sony has an on-camera wireless microphone receiver paired with wireless microphones to give you everything you need. Now you can tell by our name, Videoguys.com, we specialize in the video aspect of production. But great audio is what really makes great video. Audiences will forgive a shaky camera or something happening to the video screen right now. But if you cannot hear me or my voice keeps dropping out, you will lose interest and you will lose your audience. You can move freely on camera, moving back and forth when you have a wireless microphone that you can easily move with you and still talk into the camera. Sony wireless microphones let you capture clean, broadcast quality voice, even in busy locations. All of the wireless mic systems we're going to talk about today are available in multiple channels and frequencies, allowing you to get the perfect solution for all of your needs. Sony has more than 60 years in the pro audio and broadcast production space. They know what frequencies are being used even in the local broadcast TV stations that might interfere with some venues in your area. We can help you identify those issues before they happen and set you up with the right frequency for all of your production needs. One system covers interviews, vlogs, events, podcasts, run and gun shoots, wedding video productions, and more. What we are going to talk about is the Sony UWP-D series. The UWP-D series is a choice of 2 on-camera wireless microphone receivers and a host of components for all of your microphone needs. They all have digital audio processing for natural, low noise sound. A true double tuner with diversity reception means fewer dropouts. You're not limited to line of sight communication from your microphone transmitter back to the receiver. The 2 microphones help make sure that you have high quality audio wherever your talent roams. One tap pairing, allowing you to configure the microphone that's best for each project. If you want to bring a lapel microphone for a presentation one day and use a handheld microphone the next day, one tap pairing lets you take the transmitter and receiver and communicate together seamlessly, quickly, and easily. All of these Sony products have a rugged, professional build. These are not toys that you pull out of the bottom of a drawer because it's what all the influencers are running around with on TikTok. These are professional components that are built to handle pro videographers' needs. They are available for run and gun kits, for run and gun shoots, allowing you to either take a pre-configured kit in either a single channel or dual channel kit, or build the system that works best for you a la carte. So let's talk about some of the components. These components start with the receiver that goes on camera, bringing the audio into your professional camera device, camera or camcorder. You have a choice between the UWP-P40 single channel receiver or the UWP-P41D, which is the dual channel receiver. These both offer digital audio, true diversity, USB power, giving you the flexibility to run on AA, nickel metal hydride batteries, or to connect to a USB power supply. And you can monitor your audio coming into these receivers with the headphone monitor output. A true professional tool that mounts easily on camera. You can use the microphone that's best for you, choosing between the bodypack transmitter with Sony lapel mic, a handheld microphone with a built-in transmitter, or a barrel plug attachment so you can continue to use your favorite XLR mic, connect the barrel plug to the back of it, and integrate that microphone into the Sony wireless audio system. NFC Sync allows you to easily pair these microphones with transmitters directly to the Sony receiver of your choice. Rugged build and design means you can take these microphones anywhere, whether you're using it on set, on location, in a corporate AV boardroom, or at your local karaoke night. It's going to be rugged enough to stand up to the task. Single channel kits are also available. Sony has kind of pre-configured kits where you can get everything you need all in one box. They have the option of taking the single channel receiver with a bodypack transmitter and lapel mic for just $655. Or a kit with the single channel receiver, a handheld mic which has the transmitter built in right into the body of the microphone itself at that same price. If you are looking for something different, maybe you want the single channel receiver with the XLR barrel plug transmitter, we can help configure those for you a la carte. If you're looking to start with one of these kits, but you want to add a handheld mic so you have flexibility in the future to choose between the lapel mic or a handheld mic or vice versa, you can still use the single channel receiver. Have those mics available so that you always have the right microphone for the right project at the right time. Single channel mic systems are perfect when you have a single subject, one talent in the front of the room. In a house of worship, your chief officer is the only one that really needs the microphone to share that message that goes to the camera. In education, I can put a lapel mic directly on the teacher in the front of the room and make sure that that lecture is captured with seamless audio, integrated right into the same footage on that one camera shoot. And a vlog or a live event, the lapel mic gives me the freedom to move around. A handheld mic allows me to take that and give it to anyone else that I want to speak into the camera at any time. And then, of course, corporate AV. Picture a keynote address. Picture your CEO talking to their employees or creating a training video. That can all be done very quickly and easily with a single channel microphone system. Sony also has the dual channel receiver, which allows you to bring two microphones into the same camera all at one time. No additional mixers or audio capabilities are necessary. The dual channel receiver lets you receive any combination of these Sony microphones that we talked about. There are pre-made kits where you can take that dual channel receiver with two bodypack transmitters and lapel mics for $1340, giving you everything you need for that complete operation. Or you can take the UWP-D system, which is the dual channel receiver, bodypack transmitter and lapel mic, and a barrel plug to your favorite SLR microphone. That system comes in at $875. You can also custom build your own system, adding a handheld microphone with built-in transmitter, getting a system with one lapel mic and one handheld mic, one lapel mic and one XLR barrel plug, one handheld mic and one XLR barrel plug. You can mix and match all of these together. And the great thing about that XLR barrel plug transmitter is you can use that to plug in instruments or any XLR audio source into the same wireless audio receiver from Sony as well. Let's talk about some of the different applications here. We talked about house of worship or education, where you have a single officer going into a single channel receiver. Well, now with a dual microphone system, I can still have my preacher in front of the church with a lapel microphone, but I could have a handheld mic mounted at the speaker's podium where someone can come up throughout the ceremony and do a reading and still have crystal clear audio. I can have a teacher in the front of the room speaking into a lapel mic and then have a handheld microphone that I pass around to the students in the class so they can participate and their audio, their questions are all being captured into the same camera. Obviously, that sets up perfectly for an interview. We were just out at the NAB show in Vegas, and we're running around with a lapel mic on the interviewer, and then the interviewee had a handheld mic that they can pass around to whoever the next product expert is that comes to the table to introduce their exciting new stuff. Corporate AV, 2 lapel mic system allows you to take the CEO and his sales engineer and put them both on stage together to talk about the great new product and all the great new widgets without them worrying about one microphone being picked up and the other one not. You can bring 2 people up on stage, hit them both with the body pack and lapel mic, and get crystal clear audio into that single camera with the dual channel receiver. So we talked about how you can set up these different configurations. Now let's talk about what makes Sony better. The Sony UWP-D is a truly digital wireless microphone system. There are advantages of having that digital signal over analog because it's going to give you a faithful reproduction of all of your audio with very low noise. The UWP-D uses a 24-bit digital signal processing, allowing you to get true accuracy going into that microphone receiver. The Sony systems have 2 antennas, 2 tuners, and 1 clear signal. This is a true diversity system that allows you to get crystal clear audio and reliable audio delivery from your talent to the camera, from the microphone transmitter to the receiver that's on your camera itself. The true diversity system allows your talent to have the freedom to move without worrying about hiding behind obstacles, walls, or other things that happen throughout a natural presentation. These are perfect for wedding, run and gun documentary live events, busy event venues, and anywhere that RF is unpredictable. Now, one tip I will give you in setting up microphones for a wedding video production, there is no bride who I have ever met that is going to allow you to take a lapel microphone and pin that onto her bride's dress. You can, however, put it on the groom's lapel. They will be close enough to pick up audio from each other and give your second mic and transmitter to the officant of the ceremony. And that is how you use the dual channel receiver to get crystal clear audio reproduction from your wedding ceremony without trying to convince the bride to let you touch that dress. NFC one-tap pairing. This is one of my favorite features of the Sony wireless microphone systems. You can take the receiver and the transmitter, and with one touch, one button press, they will pair together, finding the same channel and the same frequency to communicate in that environment. That means if you have a single or a dual channel system, and you want to go out on Saturday afternoon with a lapel microphone and one talent, and then your next shot on Sunday afternoon, the talent says, I don't want a lapel microphone. I feel much more comfortable talking into a handheld mic. You take your systems, you pair them together, and you're ready to go. Knowing that you can easily switch your devices to get the right microphone and transmitter you need for that day's shot gives you worry-free setup and installation, knowing that you can just show up with your bag and have all the components you need and be ready to go. The Sony wireless microphone systems are available in single channel systems starting at $655. Whether it's a pre-made kit or a la carte components, you're going to take the single channel receiver and pair that with either the lapel mic with bodypack transmitter, the handheld mic with built-in transmitter, or that XLR barrel plug transmitter to get the single channel system you need. If you're looking for the dual channel system and you want the capability of having two microphones feed into that same camera, you can start those systems at just $875. We have some pre-configured kits, as we talked about, from Sony, but you can also build your own with any combination of those same three microphone choices for each individual person. So now you can have, I don't know the math, but you can have several different configurations to get all those components that you need quickly and easily. On our website, you will see that we have a default frequency range. It's what we call group 14. That is the default frequency and probably the most common frequency that all of our customers would be looking for to use. There are several other frequencies available. If you are concerned about production interference with a local broadcast station in your area, or if you want to use multiple wireless mic systems in one venue, that would be a good opportunity for us to talk to you about some of those special frequencies available to make sure we match the right components for your successful production needs. You can give us a call at any time at 800-323-2325. I also want to point out that we have a 30-day money-back guarantee on everything we sell. So if you get a wireless mic system and it is not working out, or you are getting interference from a local broadcast that you weren't even aware of, we can work with you to identify the right frequencies that you will need and to make sure we get you the right products quickly and easily. My last piece of advice, which I give to every customer looking to invest in new equipment, leave yourself plenty of time for success. Please, 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 don't call me on Wednesday afternoon and tell me that you need a wireless audio solution for a service that is running on Saturday afternoon. By the time UPS gets the product to your door, it's not going to leave you a lot of time to get it set up and running. We'll try everything we can to help you. We'll get it to your doorstep. But Murphy's Law dictates that if it will go wrong, it will. If you leave yourself plenty of time, it means that you can become familiar with the components, set them up successfully, and more importantly, take advantage of us being available to help you. You can give us a call. We have technicians who are familiar with the equipment, and we can help get you up and running very quickly and very easily. If you have any questions about any of the Sony wireless mic solutions we talked about, or you're ready to upgrade your audio solutions, give us a call today at 800-323-2325. If you want to talk about your next production project or a large-scale project, let us introduce you to the right resources to help you get up and running. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to join us every Tuesday at 3 p.m. Eastern.
Videoguys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.